So you want to be a licensed bartender. One avenue you could pursue is contact the NLBA, the National Liquor Beverage Association, and inquire about getting certified. You could take the TAM class, the Techniques of Alcohol Management. That's a license for bartending, and it has to be renewed. The most important thing is you have to learn how to make drinks. There's various ways that you could inquire about doing so. You could go on the internet, and there's websites available, and it lists all the drinks and how to make them. There's books, bartender's guides. It gives you all like the hot drinks that are out there, and it tells you how to make them. Another way is just go out to the bars yourself and order drinks and see how they make them, and ask your local bartenders for tips in case you don't have a certain item how to make a certain drink. There's substitutes. The most important thing in regards to being a bartender is you have to have PR skills, public relations skills. You're dealing with the general public. You have to be able to speak to them in a business-like atmosphere. You need to be cordial. You need to have gift of the gab a little bit. So if you want to become a bartender, there's a couple of things you need to remember. First, of course, is the licensing. And you have to have people skills because you're working with the general public. You have to remember that. You're dealing with many different people from many different walks of life, so you're going to have to be able to deal with every walks of life.